In a large enterprise, complete openness can quickly turn into operational chaos. When anyone can view or accidentally edit sensitive corporate strategies, you risk data corruption and premature exposure. As an enterprise leader, you don't just need OKRs, you need governance. OKR restrictions in BigPicture help you solve this exact problem. OKR restrictions serve as the top security layer, overriding all other existing OKR permissions. They provide granular administrative control over your goal-setting ecosystem, allowing you to open restriction management to everyone or limit it strictly to designated individuals and teams. Let's see how it works. First, you need to enable OKR restrictions in your OKR settings in the General tab. Toggle the Allow Restricting OKRs option and choose whether you want to completely hide restricted OKRs from unauthorized users or leave them partially visible. With this configuration active, you can seamlessly restrict both new and existing strategic themes, objectives, and key results. To restrict an existing OKR, open its Details page. Next, click the padlock icon in the upper right-hand corner. This opens a dedicated security configuration modal where you can apply two distinct governance types based on your business requirements. The first option is anyone can view, specific people or teams can edit. Choose this to leave an OKR visible to all users for strategic alignment, while locking down modification rights to a select group. The second option is only specific people or teams can view or edit. Choose this to completely hide the OKR from the general directory. Only designated teams and specific users will be able to see or modify it. In this example, the objective we restricted has 3 child items. Because we restricted the parent OKR, that security settings were automatically inherited by all of its children. Just like in the case of these OKRs. When you inspect any of the child OKRs on their respective details pages, you will see that their restriction settings perfectly mirror the parent. To change or remove inheritance restrictions from child OKRs, you must edit or delete them directly from the top-level parent OKR. Let's go ahead and remove it. The restrictions are now lifted from the parent and automatically cleared from all 3 children. While restriction settings flow downwards from the top parent, you can still apply individual, unique restrictions to any specific child item. Let's restrict this single key result to anyone can view, specific people or teams can edit. Next, let's change the parent for this restricted key result. Even though the key result is now nested under a different unrestricted objective, it securely retains its original individual restriction settings. Restricting a new OKR works in a very similar way. Right from the OKR creation screen, click the padlock icon and select your desired restriction type before saving. Any child OKRs later created under this new objective or strategic theme will automatically inherit these security settings from day one. With OKR restrictions, you can ensure that your macro strategy remains cleanly insulated, your metric automation stays accurate, and your teams remain aligned to verified, approved targets.